undiscovered. Didn't care for one another, you and I. You and I.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. For today's look, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this cat eye cut crease glitter look, and I was really inspired by fall colors and I just really wanted to go in on that warmth. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing is applying a base. I like to apply concealer and then set it into place with translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using the Colourpop Orange You Glad palette. First going into this light orange shade right here and just buffing this into my crease. I am winging out that outer edge because we are doing a cat eye shape, and this is really going to lay out the foundation and the map for where we build next. So I'm going into my angled brush and this darker orangey brown shade. And I'm just applying a line of definition right in the center of my crease, kind of flicking out that outer corner like you would flick out a winged liner. And then I'm going into this shade right here with my small tapered brush and just going in left right motions over top of that line. And this is going to give us a really nice gradient and really blend everything out. Next up, I'm grabbing my angled brush and my concealer, and I just carved my crease, and I'm also applying it on my lid as a nice base for all the other shadows that we're going to apply over top of it. And then next, I'm going into a small compact brush, and I'm just picking up some translucent powder and just really packing that concealer into place. And this really ensures that the other shades don't mix too much into it. And then I'm going into this Super Shock shadow by Colourpop, and it's called Flower Child. And I'm just applying this all over the first half of my lid, and it's absolutely stunning. And then I'm going into Anastasia Beverly Hills Flower Child glitter, and I'm just applying this to the center of my lid using this pencil brush. And then I'm going back into our first fluffy brush and our first transition color, and I'm just applying this on that outer edge and blending it inward, and this is just going to help give us a little bit more dimension. Then I'm going into the same shade that we applied in our crease, and I'm just applying a wing on that outer edge. And we're not going to be blending this out, we want it to keep its definition. So I'm just peeling off my tape now. For my waterline, I'm going into my Urban Decay Double Life Liner, and I'm just applying that right in my waterline. And then I'm grabbing my first transition color once again with this small smudger brush, and I'm just going all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner of my lash line, getting it as close to those lower lashes as possible. Then I'm going into my Violet Voss Matte Vibes palette, and it's kind of similar to the shade that we applied up top, but it's a little bit darker. And I just applied that on my lower lash line as well. And then I'm grabbing my Fenty Full Frontal mascara and coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm grabbing my Pixie by Petra highlight and just popping that on my inner corner. And this is the finished look right here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Okay, till something in me changed, don't know why. Don't know why. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends.